Hello guys, Meerkat Ninja here today. Today we will be building a coffee maker. Okay, first you will need a waterfall. Looks like this. You will need 2 waterfalls, a 1x2 flat brick, a 1x2 two 1x2 chunky bricks, a 2x3 flat brick, a black vent, and a gray 2x2 actual flat. Okay, I preferably like these colors to look because they look good in a coffee maker. But to start, we'll need we need to grab the 2x3 flat and put our 2 chunky 1x2s on it, and then add our flat 1x2. So we have this so far. And then we're gonna add our waterfalls. So first we're gonna put our 2x2 flat on so it sticks out like that. There's a side view, and then you're gonna stick your 2 waterfalls on it. So it looks like this. And then you can stick a vent on right there, so on the farthest end back, so then your coffee maker looks like this. And you put the coffee cups, give me a second to grab my coffee cups. Or mugs, whichever will work. Coffee cups and mugs, same thing. And then you put these right here. Then it looks like that. And that is it for today on how to build a Lego coffee maker. I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Oh, and also comment. Bye.